Well, Tuesday morning, and it looks like we're putting the brakes on that rally. So do remember, the rest of the globe has been looking quite tentative. Wall Street is well closed on the back foot. You had the Asian markets that were subdued, and it looks like we seem to be taking cues. So for this morning, while the pre-open rates indicated quite a different story, you can't really go by that because at the opening, you've got a mild downtick. So it's no deep gashes coming in, but down about 0.2% for the Nifty at 13,500 thereabouts, as we're just about testing that mark. For the Sensex, we're down about 125 points, and the broader market as well is looking very tentative in its moves, so gotten off on the back foot to say the least. Let's run you through then the sectors that are under pressure. Yesterday, PSU Banks soared in trade. Today, that profit booking kicking in. It's the top sectoral loser in trade, down 1.5%. PSEs as a basket not doing well. Metals in the red. The Nifty Bank as well is down nearly 130 points. Media, FMCG, energy, all of those sectors are under pressure. Pharma is the only saving grace, holding out like a lone soldier in the green by about 0.33%. To the Nifty losers then, and Axis Bank is down about 2% in trade. You got Tata Motors, very tentative, ONGC, Hindalco, Tata Steel, SBI. Take a look at HUL, L&T, M&M, Hero Moto, Nestle, TCS, as well as HDFC. There is all of the heavyweights that are having a bit of a weakish start. While on the flip side, Eicher Motors recovers at 24.31. HDFC Life is in the green. UPL seeing some traction today at 446, up about 1%. HDFC Bank, Airtel, HCL Technologies, Bajaj Finance, those are some of the stocks that are in the green. To the newsmakers then, and select names that are in focus, you have Tata Steel. The acquisition of the 4.3% of Tata Steel Minerals is keeping it in focus. Meantime, you also have BPCL. Remember, the evaluation committee is going to vet those 3 EoIs today that has been received from Vedanta, Apollo Global, as well as Think Gas. TCS, the Star Alliance Strategic Partnership, is keeping the stock in focus. NMDC, the share buyback opens 17th December, closes 31st at 1378 crores for a price at 105 rupees. Morgan Stanley is overweight on L&T and has a target price at about 1387. You've also got Indian Hotels, where HSBC is very bullish. They've upped their target price to about 151. There's Majesco that as well is in focus right now, as they've approved the payment of an interim dividend at about 974 rupees per equity share. So that too is keeping the stock in focus. Within the broader universe then, you do have quite a few names that are active in trade. Let's just take you through then some of those stocks that are losing out. Canara Bank, DHFL, Dish TV, Indian Bank, NBCC, IFCI, Gayatri Projects. While on the flip side, Canara Construction, Delta, Cyient, Adani Power, Indian Hotels, ITI in the